Good afternoon everybody and welcome back to my channel. It is me, Tshidi, Radebe, back on your screens once again, and in today's video I have to wash my hair with you guys. Today's is my wash day today, and I actually just wanted for us to have a chit chat, because sometimes I just wonder, is it just marketing, or is there really a difference between like all of these deep conditioners, all these shampoos that exist for all different hair types, right? So I've decided that I'm going to test out the Dove Nourishing Oil Care Shampoo for frizz dry hair, and I want to compare it to, for example, maybe the Native Child. I just want to see, are they similar, are they one thing, or is there really a true difference between like natural hair shampoo versus type 1 hair shampoos, because for me, I mean my instincts is just saying that they could most likely have the same basic ingredients of what makes a shampoo, you know what I mean, and then maybe everything else could be natural ingredients, or maybe not. I don't know. We are gonna go through the ingredient list of the Dove shampoo, and maybe we're gonna pick Native Child, because I think this one, it's like created by black people for black hair. So let's see how it compares to this shampoo. So let us have a type 1 hair shampoo versus a 4C hair shampoo. Okay, so without any further ado, let us get right into today's video. Let us first get the definition, or rather what is the purpose of shampoo, because I think some people still don't know why you're supposed to shampoo your scalp. So I've decided to bring in the Mac, with the Google definitions, and read it to you guys so that we can all understand, and more than just that, like really understand why we have to do the things we do to our hair. Okay, so the purpose of a shampoo is to remove dirt and oil from the surface of the hair fibers and the scalp. All right, so that is what a shampoo is supposed to do. It's supposed to remove dirt, remove any dead skin, dead cells, whatever you want to call them, and just wash them out of your hair. Any product buildup, out of the gunk, anything that's clogging your scalp, it's just going to remove. That's the purpose of it. Now that we know that, now let us look at the ingredients that are often found in shampoos. Like, what are the basic ingredients? What makes a shampoo to shampoo? Okay, so they say here it's sulfates such as sodium lauryl sulfate, amino lauryl sulfate, sodium tridecaph something sulfate, and cocamidopropyl betaine. So now let us look at the first ingredients of what makes a shampoo a shampoo. On the Dove one, it says it's aqua, which is water, and then the second ingredient is a sulfate, which is what we have here from our research, which is sodium lauryl sulfate, and they have that. And then for the natural hair ingredient, they will claim in front that they don't have sulfates, which you should be able to trust. But let's go to the back to see what base of shampoo do they use so that the shampoo can lather up, because that's why they use these things, so that it can lather up. They actually use the cocamidopropyl something betaine as their main base of the shampoo. They have glycerin, sodium chloride. All right, then they have day something. I don't know what this is, but it's not the same as this one. Then they also have, they don't have glycerin, but they have glycerol something. Okay, so what I'm starting to see in the natural hair shampoo is that a lot of natural ingredients start to appear, such as coconut oil, horsetail. Yes, I heard that in my live with my healthy hair. She spoke about horsetail, and she says she uses that to wash her hair, and cacao or something like that. Lavender oil, you start to see rosemary leaf, peppermint. And then in the Dove one, I'm seeing a lot of big names that I don't know I don't know how to pronounce these. I'm gonna take a picture of this and put it up here. Just a lot of sulfates, basically sodium sulfate, but I think we also get that in here. And then benzoate, potassium sorbate, citric acid, sodium hydroxide. And then here we get a lot of, again, more names I still don't know. Okay, I'm seeing a natural ingredient, which is carnel oil, coco's new something oil, that's natural, I think. And then again with the big words, sodium hydroxide, benzyl alcohol. So here's what I'm seeing here. There's no alcohols in these ones. They have alcohol in this one. So I think just in the ingredients you can see the difference, right? You can see that this has a lot of ingredients that are really big that I don't know how to say, and this one, it's quite straight to the point, and most of them are natural ingredients. So now we have passed the ingredient list check. Okay, we can see the difference. We know it from a ingredient list perspective that they're quite different. Okay, but now we want to see if my hair will feel the same. So I have used this shampoo before. I love it. You guys know this. I've used it a few times, like, hence why it's almost finished. So for today, I'm gonna try this one. I just want to see if it will be able to nourish my hair. It will be able to moisturize my hair, because it's supposed to give me, like, nourishes for up to 100% smoothness and controls frizz. So we're going to try out the shampoo and see if my hair might like it. So we're first going to make sure that my hair is lacquer wet, you know, and once it's drenching, it's dripping, it's everything, we are going to smell the shampoo. It smells nice, lots of fragrance, smells good. Then we're going to put that on my palm, you know, generous amount, and put that up, wait for it to lather up. It didn't take time. Like, the second it touched my hair, it was already lathering up. Like, it knows, it understands the assignment. Okay, that's all I'm saying. And I'm going to make sure that I massage my scalp, make sure that I'm, you know, getting rid of all the dirt that's up in there. And then once I'm ready, after I wash my hair for about 3 minutes, okay, so after that I'm going to rinse it out, make sure that I actually got out all the shampoo, because yo, it's a lot. Then dry my hair with my microfiber towel, and then that's it. Okay, y'all, so I have washed my hair, and let me tell you what I think. Okay, so I feel like the shampoo smelled really nice. It actually does smell nice. Then the second thing is it lathers up very quickly. Like, a little kind of goes a long way. And for me, I felt like it wasn't safe to wash my hair twice, because I've actually gotten to the habit of washing my hair twice. I normally used to wash my hair just once, and literally for a long time. Now I actually wash my hair twice. How many times do you shampoo your hair? You know, then I shampoo twice in one session, if that makes sense. Okay, so with this shampoo, I felt like that one pump that I put on my hand was enough for, it's fine. Like, my hair was clean, because in the process of washing my hair, the shampoo itself, with interacting with my hair, was soft. Like, my hair was soft. It felt like soft, you know, like I could move around, whatever. And once I rinsed it off, you could tell like 80% of that, like, softness that the shampoo was providing me with, it's just gone down the drain, right? And then my hair felt very stripped. Okay, let me not say very stripped. My hair was stripped, but I think because I was washing my hair starting off on a pre-poo that had a lot of coconut oil, a lot of sweet almond oil, and flaxseed gel, I think that's the type of wash I needed. However, in terms of the stripness of it, I would say it did strip my hair a bit more, but my hair it's nothing that my hair cannot handle. I'm not upset at the shampoo. Would I rebuy it? No, because it uses a lot of sulfates, you know. I'd actually rather go for a natural based shampoo than that one. And I would say in terms of it's very cleansing. I don't even think it was cleansing. I feel it was just stripping my hair, you know. It was just, but my hair wasn't like intensely stripped. I also don't want to, I want to stress that, because as I mentioned, I did do a pre-poo, so my hair was fine. But I'm telling you, if you use this shampoo and you start on dry hair, hey, I don't think it's gonna end well for you. Hey, I don't know. You guys must let me know in the comment section. Do you buy shampoos that were made for type 1 hair? Do you mind it? Do you not like it? Do you like it? Does it work for you? Is there maybe a different line of Dove that I should try, maybe that was designed for natural hair? I think where I bought it there wasn't much. I just picked it up and I was just like, let's just try it. Maybe they have expanded their range. It's just that I didn't do the research. I don't know. Stand to be corrected. And I mean, at the end of the day, it is about learning. So I hope you guys enjoyed today's video. I will see you guys in my next one, and bye for now.